Well, as kids wrapped up their first week of school, Governor Kathy Hochul has now declared a state of emergency over polio, this in an effort to bolster low vaccination rates. So how concerned should you be, especially if you're a parent? Well, Alex Love attended a back-to-school health fair and is live now with what advice pediatricians have for families. Alex.
Well, all the samples so far, Isabel, were found in wastewater around the New York City and Long Island area. But local pediatricians we spoke to explain this virus can be very contagious and more serious if you are unvaccinated or in the age group of infants and toddlers. While the timing of this emergency appears bad due to kids back in school, pediatricians point to state laws requiring students to be vaccinated against polio, like other common viruses, so the classroom is likely to be a safe setting.
If you go to a public school, you're actually going to be probably in a safer area because everyone who goes to public school needs to have these vaccines to attend. The religious exemption for vaccines is no longer in effect in New York State.
Polio is definitely a preventative disease, and it's one of the ones that there is a very safe and effective vaccine. So definitely encouraging the families to make sure that their children are vaccinated against polio.
Medical research shows polio spreads easily if you come in contact with contaminated saliva, feces, or other liquids, but also through the air if you're in close contact with someone infected. It can be most harmful to unvaccinated children.
Kids under the age of 5 have been shown to have the worst outcomes if they contract the virus. Anyone can contract the virus, and also the other people that we worry about are immunocompromised people. So maybe people who are taking medications for autoimmune disorders.
According to the state and CDC, the one case in Rockland County was someone without the polio vaccine. Parents like Ashley Brockheisen feel polio sounds scary, but isn't too concerned since both her daughters have the vaccine.
That definitely gives us some confidence, I think. I think anytime you hear polio, it's intimidating, no matter vaccinated or not. So whatever precautions are recommended, we'll take, and yeah, hope to stay healthy.
By issuing this state of emergency, Governor Kathy Hochul has expanded resources for polio vaccine administrators throughout New York. In total, the CDC has detected samples of this virus in 5 counties so far. Live in Rochester, Alex Love, News 8.
All right, thank you very much, Alex. And if you're an adult and already received your polio vaccine, local pediatricians tell us there's no reason at this time to get booster shots if you completed your series as a child.